Standard 6th Subject Computer. Today we are going to learn lesson number 12, Printing Worksheet in Excel 2007 Part 2. The header footer. A header is the information that appears at the top of each printed page, and a footer is the information that appears at the bottom of each printed page. You can add headers or footers at the top or bottom of a printed worksheet in Excel. For example, you might create a footer that has page numbers, the date, and the name of the file. You can create your own or use many built-in headers and footers. Headers and footers are displayed only in page layout view, print preview, and on printed pages. You can also use the page setup dialog box if you want to insert headers or footers for more than one worksheet at a time. For other sheet types such as chart sheets or charts, you can insert headers and footers only by using the page setup dialog box. Now students, if you want to add header and footer, what is the steps? First, click the worksheet where you want to add or change headers or footers. Second, on the Insert tab in the text group, click Header and Footer. Excel displays the worksheet in page layout view. Third, to add or edit a header or footer, click the left, center or right header or footer text box at the top or the bottom of the worksheet page under header or above footer. Fourth, type the new header or footer text. The sheet. A print area can be set by selecting the desired range of cells. Print preview. It is used to display an image of the page before you print it. It shows how a worksheet will look when you print it on paper. This will help you to make last-minute changes or adjustment to your worksheets. Click on the Office button and select the Print Preview option. You can see the next, previous, zoom, print, setup, margins, preview, and close buttons on the Print Preview tab of the preview window. Now student printing, click on Print in the Microsoft Office button to print the worksheet. Means students click on the Office button and you have to select the Print option. Thank you.